Look, you probably spent hours scrolling, reading endless specs, and still can't tell which DJI drone actually fits your needs, whether it's battery life, camera quality, or price. The truth is, this video cuts through the noise, ends the confusion, and helps you pick the perfect drone right now. Product number 1, DJI Neo. Wow, have you ever wanted to capture epic moments without the hassle of a controller? Meet the DJI Neo, the ultimate mini drone that's literally 135 grams. So light, you can toss it in your pocket and let it fly. This little beast packs a 4K UHD camera, giving you cinema-grade footage while it follows you around like a loyal companion. Honestly, the palm takeoff feature is a game changer. Just wave your hand and it lifts off. No batteries or remote needed. Trust me, the subject tracking mode locks onto your face, keeping you in frame even if you move fast, and the quick shots presets let you snap cinematic shots with a single tap. Built-in propeller guard keeps it safe from accidental bumps, and the whole thing is controller-free, so you can focus on the fun, not the joystick. Whether you're on a hike, at a beach, or just hanging out in the backyard, DJI Neo turns every moment into a movie. If you're ready to take your photography to the next level, check the link in the description for the best active discounts today. Product number 2, DJI Mini 4K. So you picked up the DJI Neo, and now you are wondering, what is the natural next step up in the sky? Honestly, look no further than the DJI Mini 4K, because this little machine completely changes the game for everyday creators. Wow, right out of the box, you can just feel the massive upgrade in build quality. Trust me, despite weighing under 250 grams, meaning you can legally fly without jumping through endless registration hoops, it packs a serious punch. I am talking about a stunning 4K UHD camera mounted on a buttery smooth 3-axis gimbal, so every single shot looks like it was filmed with a Hollywood cinema rig. And talk about range. You get up to 10 kilometers of crisp video transmission without breaking a sweat. Plus, with a solid 31-minute flight time, impressive wind resistance, and smart features like auto return, you never have to panic about losing your gear midair. Intelligent flight modes do all the heavy lifting, giving you cinematic movements with just a couple of taps. If you are ready to take your aerial footage to the next level, check the link in the description for the best active discounts today. Product number 3, DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I are diving into the brand new DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo, the natural evolution after the Mini 4K, and honestly it feels like DJI just raised the bar. This tiny powerhouse weighs under 0.549 pounds, 249 grams, so you can take it anywhere, yet it packs a 4K camera that captures buttery smooth footage like a pro. The combo includes the sleek DJI RC2 controller and 3 smart batteries that together give you up to 102 minutes of flight time. Yes, over an hour and a half on a single charge. For beginners, the smart return to home feature automatically guides the drone back when the signal drops or the battery gets low. The RC2's built-in screen means no phone needed, and the intuitive controls make learning to fly feel almost effortless. Trust me, the mix of ultra-lightweight, crystal-clear 4K video, and 3 extra batteries makes this combo perfect for travel vloggers, hobbyists, and anyone who wants to capture the world from above. Look, if you're ready to upgrade your aerial game, check the link in the description for the best active discounts today. Product number 4, DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo. Hey everyone, I've just unboxed the new DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo, and honestly, it feels like the perfect next step after the Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo I covered last week. Trust me, the upgrade is worth the hype. This lightweight camera drone comes with a full 3 battery pack, so you're looking at a whopping 114 minutes of flight time. Yes, 114 minutes. Plus the DJI RC controller that makes flying feel like a breeze. Wow, the 4K HDR video capability is stunning, especially with the vertical shooting mode that lets you capture selfies and reels in true portrait format. The transmission range tops out at 32,800 feet, or about 10 kilometers, giving you that cinematic reach without a hitch. And because it's so compact, you can tuck it into a backpack and take it anywhere. I've tested it in windy conditions, and the stabilization keeps the footage buttery smooth. Look, if you're ready to level up your aerial photography, check the link in the description for the best active discounts today. Product number 5. DJI Neo 2 Fly More Combo. Look, if you love flying the DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo, you are honestly going to flip out over what comes next, because DJI just raised the bar. Wow, let me introduce you to the brand new DJI Neo 2 Fly More Combo with the RC and 3 remote controller. And trust me, it is an absolute game changer. Flying this thing feels impossibly smooth, thanks to the upgraded stable transmission with digital transceiver that keeps your feed locked in without any annoying dropouts. Plus, this complete kit doesn't just give you the aircraft, oh no! You also get a brilliant drone strobe light for those gorgeous twilight shoots, a sturdy landing pad, and a custom carrying case to keep everything safe on the move. Honestly, whether you are upgrading from your old gear or diving in for the very first time, this setup delivers cinematic magic right out of the box with zero fuss. You really need to experience this for yourself, so go check out the link in the description right now for the best active discounts today. That wraps up our comprehensive list for today. I hope this guide helped you find the perfect fit for your needs. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for updated pricing, and I will see you in the very next video.